Okay, this is my windy weather attire. Okay, so I'm going to back up a bit to show you what I wore today. I did run 4 miles. It was windy. Saw bunny rabbits. No deer. Deer are freaking weird when it's dark. You can see their eyes glow, and it's just kind of eerie, especially when there's like, you know, 4 here, 4 there, 2 there. It's like there's these little glowing eyes staring into you. But anyway, today I was during the day, so I didn't have problems. But this is my